Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge split clips on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have split your videos like so, and you can't just like undo them anymore because maybe you have closed the project, but you want them to be one clip. You don't want them to be like separate clips. So for instance, I want these 4 videos to be in one clip, like to be one clip. You can just right click and group them, but they're still like separate videos. You can, however, like double click them to edit them by themselves. But for instance, you just want to merge them as a whole, you can do that. Just like instead of grouping them, grouping them, just right click and select create compound clip. You can't, however, edit them one by one, so just keep that in mind. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!